Hello, I'm Brandon Williamscraig, and this is Rosalie, my daughter, and we are here to welcome you to Conflict Done Well Dojo. We think it's one of the most important life skills you can learn. Whenever there's a difference between people or even inside of people, navigating that is a conflict. And learning to do that well is one of the most important things we can possibly learn for our survival as a species. Now, it may seem a little odd, but I would like to suggest that the body is one of the best places to learn about how to do conflict. So here's an exercise. The next time you're in conflict, and you would like to practice how you respond to it, breathe out, bend your knees, and lift up through the top of your head like that. So you can feel your structure line up. You can feel your bones support themselves. And then, if you would like, you can move around the room with your foot moving first and your balance moving second. It looks something like this. You can also go backwards. And the job is to move on purpose with your structure staying under your control so that you can get in the habit of making clear choices when you're in conflict, because whatever your habits are is what you will do when you're under pressure. And that's what all martial arts do, is teach you new habits under pressure. I'd like to suggest Aikido is the ideal martial art, because not only does it teach you how to work under pressure, but it teaches you how to preserve your opponent so that you disassemble the cycle of conflict. Rather than hurting them because they hurt you, you change how conflict works globally. Anyway, if you'd like to know more about that, please look out for our next conflict video coming up as a life skill. And you can also visit conflictdonewell.com. Thanks for your time.